Namaste, dear yogis. Take a couple of minutes for yourself to look back and reflect on your year or a chapter in your life that you're ready to close and ready to feel fresh and move forward with renewed energy. You're welcome to grab your journal or a piece of paper and a pen, and then find a comfortable position, sitting in a chair or a cross-legged position with your spine straight. And I suggest that you take Gyan Mudra, the hand gesture of wisdom and knowledge, where you connect the tip of your index finger with the tip of your thumb, lengthening out the rest of your fingers and resting the backs of your hands on your knees or thighs. Take a moment to settle in. Feel free to close your eyes or softly gaze at the ground. And start by taking a deep, nourishing breath in through your nose. And let the exhale be a release. Relax your shoulders. Again, inhale through your nose. And a deep, relaxing breath out through your nose. Breathe in. Exhale, let everything go. Exhale all the air out of your lungs. Let your breath come back to its natural rhythm. And notice your body in this space, in this moment. Feel the earth beneath you, the soft air around you, and the peace within. Think of one thing that you accomplished, whether it's an actual thing, or maybe it was an insight or growth you experienced. One thing that you're very proud of. What are you celebrating? What is one thing that you accomplished this year that you're so proud of? Breathe in a sense of gratitude for all that you did to accomplish this. Breathe out, surround yourself with even more gratitude and appreciation for yourself and maybe the support that you received from loved ones or your community. Breathe in love, gratitude, and appreciation. Exhale, surround yourself with love, gratitude, appreciation. Feel this sense of accomplishment and proudness of yourself in your whole body, from the top of your head all the way down to your toes. And maybe even smile. Feel this sense of gratitude for yourself and also that you deserve to celebrate. We just picked one thing over the last year, but I'm sure you had many more things that you're proud of and that you've accomplished. And that's worth celebrating. And you're welcome to pause the video and do some more celebrations. Keep breathing in and out a sense of gratitude and celebration with every part of your body. And then release this, moving on to a moment, to a thing where you experienced a lot of growth. What was one thing, a situation, or something that triggered you to learn and to grow from it? Maybe it felt uncomfortable, scary. So just notice those feelings, acknowledge it, and celebrate that you did grow from this. You did learn from this. And that's all good. That this situation, maybe as uncomfortable as it was a blessing because you evolved from it. Breathe in a sense of gratitude and appreciation for yourself. You deserve this. Surround yourself with love and gratitude for yourself. And slowly release it. Moving on to a challenge that you faced. A situation, a person that challenged you. Something that might have been very uncomfortable, maybe even painful or hard. Pushing you into certain directions. Growth can be very uncomfortable, and we're facing challenges all the time. What was one big challenge that you faced in the past year? And as you're reflecting back on this challenge, know that this is over. Nothing is permanent. Everything changes. And it passed. Acknowledge yourself for moving through this challenge, facing it, learning from it, moving forward from it, adapting everything you needed to do to get through it. And know that however it turned out, you did the best that you could with what you knew how, the tools that you had at the time in that situation. You managed with what you had, and that is good enough. And if you're not ready to move on from it, give yourself permission. It's time to move on, and give yourself a moment to allow this challenge to be for what it is. Let go of it and move forward. Take the lessons, take the good from it, and know that you became stronger and wiser and more knowledgeable because of this challenge that you faced. Breathe in love, compassion for yourself, and surround yourself with love and compassion and appreciation and peace. Breathe in love and compassion for this challenging situation that it happened. And that it's over. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out, and release this challenging situation, moving on to the next. What is one thing or a situation that you're very grateful for in the past year? What happened that fills you with gratitude? Feel this situation with every fiber of your being. Feel the positive energy that it brings to you. Breathe in love, appreciation, and gratitude. Breathe out love, appreciation, and gratitude, surrounding yourself with it. Finish with a deep breath in through your nose and a deep breath out. Again, breathe in all the good things from the past year. Exhale, let everything go that no longer serves you. Starting the new year refreshed and renewed. How would you like to feel the coming year? Bring to mind one word that inspires you, like health, harmony, love, joy, gratefulness, compassion, peace, prosperity, abundance, balance. What is one word that inspires you? And feel that word with your whole body. Bring that feeling into you. Breathe in your intention. Breathe out and surround yourself with your intention. You are now ready to move forward into the new year, feeling refreshed and renewed. You can slowly blink your eyes open. Take in the colors of the space that you're in. Release your hands. You can rub your hands together, rub your palms together, feel the warmth in between your palms. Finish with a deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out. Thank you so much for joining me in this moment of reflection and celebration. I wish you a wonderful, happy new year. From my heart to yours. Hey Yogi, thank you so much for stepping on the yoga mat with me. You did it, and I'm super proud of you. I have this gift for you that I would love to send to you. It's a beautiful flow for gratitude. All you need to do is click the link below this video, enter your first name and your email, and then I'll send it to you right away. So make sure that you get that gift, and then also make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. So hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video, share it with your friends and your family, and also share a little bit about your yoga journey in the comments. If you have any questions or feedback or just about how it went for you, I would love to hear from you. And I look forward to seeing you soon again on the yoga mat. Bye for now.